To install the graphics card driver from Dell website, you can go to Dell website. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, or you can go to dell.com/support. Once you are on the Dell website, over here you can enter product, you can enter your model number, maybe your service tag number over here, and then you have to click on search. Now you can even go to browse all products, go to computers. If you have a laptop, you can select laptop. If you have a desktop, you can select desktop. Select your device over here and select your laptop. So for me it's G series. So if you have Alienware, Inspiron, XPS, whichever series you have, you can select your laptop over here and then select the right series over here. For me it's 5520. Select your model number. Once you select your model number, on this page you can find drivers and downloads. And then click on select drivers, and you can even go for automatic update. This is automatic, but if you want to install only graphics card driver, click on select drivers. Select your operating system, so make sure that you select your operating system, and then you can go to categories. Now over here find the video driver. Under video here you can see graphics card driver. Now you can check your graphic card driver. Make a right click, go to device, make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand display adapter. So for me it's I have Intel as well as NVIDIA GeForce 3050. So here you can see this graphic card, this has a combination, this has for drivers for 4060, 4050, 3050. So 3050 is also included. For me it's 3050. So you will see the latest one is, whichever is the latest, you can click on download. And also it has Intel UHD Iris Xe graphics driver. So if you want to update your Intel driver also, you can click on download. And I think this is for 3070, 3070 Ti, 3060, 3050 Ti, 3050. So if you have 3070 Ti or 3070, this is the right one for you. So whichever is the latest, you can click on download. And let the download complete. This will take some time. Now click on yes to allow. Now click on continue. Install software updates for on this PC. Click on continue. Now click on continue. Select agree and continue. If you want express, you can select express. If you want custom, you can select custom. So I will go for express for now. Next, and let the installation complete. This will take some time. Now once the installation is complete, you can close this and then you have to restart your computer. So here you can see success. Close this, restart your PC, and after the system restart, your driver should be up to date. But let me inform you, here you can see it was updated on 3rd Feb 2026. Sometimes they do not update the latest, driver over here. For that, if you have NVIDIA card, and I'm showing for NVIDIA, if you want to install this Intel UHD or Iris, you can download this, install it. For NVIDIA, you can just search for NVIDIA drivers in Google, and you can go to the official NVIDIA website and you can select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here. You will see your graphic card in the device manager, and here you can see your graphic card driver, NVIDIA. So for me, it's you have to select the right graphic card over here. Select your operating system, click on find. On this page, you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, here you can see the latest graphic card driver, GeForce Game Ready driver. You will see it at the top. Now click on view, and then you have to click on download and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on it, click on yes to allow, and click on yes to allow, then click on OK. Let it complete. Now click on agree and continue. Select custom or express, whichever you want. Custom option will give you an option for clean installation. So if you want to perform a clean installation, you can select custom and then put a check on perform a clean installation. So for clean installation, you have to select custom and for Express you can select Express. This will help you for clean installation. Now I will select Express for now. Next, and let the installation complete. Now once installed, you can close this and then restart your PC. So this is how you can update your graphics card driver on Dell computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.